Hello children, today again I have come with the same chapter, quadratic equation. As you know, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, and this is, we say, Sridhar Acharya formula in order to solve the value of x in quadratic equation. But today the questions are a little bit different. I will say a little bit advanced question, but very easy questions. As you could see, the question is saying solve and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places, and the question is x minus 18 by x equal to 6. Now you see this question. The question does not look like a quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation and the question does not look like a quadratic equation. But if we little bit further, if we do LCM and then try to solve this question, the question will become quadratic equation. How? You see, I did here LCM. LCM is x, and we got it here at the top, x square minus 18 equal to 6. And it's time to cross multiply this 6 with x, and we got 6x here. And then we shifted this 6x to the left side. Then finally we got an expression which is x square minus 6x minus 18 equal to 0. And this is the correct form of quadratic equation. So the question did not look like a quadratic equation, but little bit we did LCM and then we did cross multiplication, and then we got the expression as a quadratic equation. And as you all know, coefficient attached with x square is 1, that is a equal to 1. Coefficient attached with x is called b, that is b means minus 6, and the constant term is minus 18, and that will be called your c equal to minus 18. And then we can apply Sridhar Acharya formula. As you all know, this we have discussed in the last video also. And finally you could see here root 3 like 108, root over 108. But in our table book we have the value of root under root number beginning from 0 to 99. We don't have the value of 108 on the table book. So what I did factorization of 108, and finally, you know, whenever we put root over the pair, we see the pair numbers. In that pair, what happens? One number comes out and one number vanishes. So here, out of 2 2's, 1 2 came out and 1 2 has to vanish. Out of 2 3's, 1 3 comes out and 1 3 vanishes. But 1 3 was there which had no pair, so it was locked inside the root. So finally root over 108 became 6 root 3, and root 3 value you can see in the table book, and that is 1.732. and then we multiplied, and then plus and minus number we separated, which is a recap of the same last video, and finally we got the answer. Like, there are 3 decimal numbers, but we have to always convert it into 2 decimal numbers. So in the approx way, this is our answer. And one more question I will show you, children. In this question, you see, again this question does not look like a quadratic equation, but it is we can multiply them and it can become a quadratic equation. Like, if we multiply this bracket number with outside number, we get 5x square plus 10x equal to 3. But 3 is in the wrong side, because to make it a quadratic equation, the constant number has to be on the left side at the end. So here one small correction, here the number will become minus 3. I had forgotten this, but this when 3 will shift from right side to left side, plus number becomes minus. And then finally this is again quadratic equation, and again I have solved, and this is our final answer on the other page. So now children, you can see this video and you can learn from these examples, and then I have given you few questions to solve in the PDF, and please children, you solve and show me. Okay, so check the PDF and please solve it. Thank you children, thank you.